So the first case we have finished with our bore point search, and searching, you see, next comes. It was over. See, next over here. So it was over. Then I can go to the next screen. Next screen is my depth search. How much water is under the ground? How deep we have to go inside? So probably source 1, source 2 levels, etc. will be understood from this depth search. Under what depth water is there? So I am going to go for my depth search. For depth search, you have to go to the center point. You have to draw 45-degree angles to all the 4 axes. Now you can see that 45-degree axis. So I am making 45-degree axis, and I am putting an arrow over here. Arrow to indicate the depth search direction. See, so along this axis, minimum 2 45-degree axis I have to follow. I am follow this 45-degree axis. From the center, you have to move up. You have to move in this direction. So once I go in this direction, it rotates. It turns back 90, more than 90 degree, 180 degree. That point. So that point you have to return back to the center. You have to follow the other direction. This direction, 45 degree. It rotates more than 90 degree to 180 degree, point in the center. So my aquifer is over. So like this, you can follow for the third axis, you can follow for the 4 axis. Minimum 2 axes should be followed. That is for depth search. The first one is for point search, bore point search. Now depth search is over. Now after my depth search result is over, there will be finish. There will be finish over here. So I have to put OK, and see my depths are 184. One source is there at 184. The other source is at 324 feet, and you see 1.50 inch is my water output, means pipe output dia. 184 and 324. 184 is one source, 324 is the second source. 1.5 inch output water. So this is the report. This report, okay. So now this video ends with the depth search. Hi friends. Now this is the depth search result as per the second video. Now this depth search result, you can take a snapshot and send to your customer, or you can take it to your mobile phone. So how to take it to your mobile phone, I am describing. So for example, to take this report to the mobile phone, you have to take your mobile, and then probably you have to go you have to install this app. See, this is GeoPinex app. This is GeoPinex app. You have to install, and after installing this app, you have to go here. Then you have to switch on your mobile data. Then you have to switch on your GPS location coordinates. Then you have to connect the mobile phone with your unit. So for that, you have to click this Wi-Fi over here, and you see GeoPinex is there. GeoPinex is there. The GeoPinex is the unit's Wi-Fi. So you can connect over here. It will connect. You see, it is connected now. Then you do one thing. You go back, and then you switch. You click on this app. The app opens, and once the app opens, even you can go to the 3 stars over the top. You can click it. Then you can go to the report one. You can click the report. You see the report comes with the geo location. GPS location is here, and you can enter the customer name, and you can enter optional details over here. Bore point 1 or bore point 2 for which customer. Then to get the report into the mobile phone, you have to click this icon over the top. Click this icon, the report comes over here. You see 184, 324 and 1.5 inch output diameter comes as a report. This report you can store it or you can send to the customer. For storing it, you can go to this save button over the top, second button. You click it, it gets saved into the database. Then to view it, you can go to this and go to the backup, and you can see the report. The report is here. So you can take a snapshot, and you can send to the you can send the report to the customer also. Further, for knowing the GPS point, bore point at some later time, maybe 6 months or 1 year later, to know that, you can go to this one. You can switch off this what is this compare the mobile pairing with the unit. You can switch it off, then you can go back and you can click this link. It will take you to the click this link, it will take you to the map. Yeah, this that is a bore point location, GPS location. Yeah, see, GPS location point is understood. And now I can go back, and also I can take a screenshot, and you can send the report to the customer also. Also, the unit can be controlled from the mobile app. See, unit can be controlled. You have to go here, and you have to go to control, and once you go to the control, see, up, down, the unit can be controlled. Off பண்ணிடுறேன்.